Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you the page that I am coloring in this coloring book. I did a flip through the other day. It's called Fairy Tales, coloring book by Emelie Lidehall Oberg. And I am using my Shuttle art, my 174 colored pencils. It's a 4mm softcore color pencils that I bought off of Amazon. It's from Shuttle Art. It came with a sketch pad, pencil sharpener. I have a review on that or an unboxing, so you can check that out if you'd like to. I'll put the link in the description box below if you'd like to check it out. But I do really like these pencils. And the page I am coloring is this one. I also did again a flip through of this coloring book. So it's the first page that I'm coloring in here. And I am using this page with the Mermaid. It's based on the prompts from Life with Patty. She does a monthly, I guess, treasure hunt is what she calls it. The hashtag is hashtag Patty's Treasure Hunt. And the 5 prompts for this month of August of 2022 are ice cream, unicorn, mermaid, cat, and balloons. I already finished a page with the unicorn, but I'll show that in a different video. This one I just wanted to start showing you what I've been doing. And I really like these colors, and I'll show you what I did here. I started to blend it in. And the Shuttle art did come with, let's see, the swatch chart, which I did swatch out. But if you saw again in a different video, I decided to take pieces of paper and swatch out each pencil so that I can use them like little cards to samples that I can put together, with my other, I have them in various color groups. So for example, here for the hair, I know I wanted to do it in an orangey red and sort of like Ariel, the mermaid. So I chose these. I went through the oranges and I think I chose bright orange. So let's see. I know I chose orange. So here's bright orange, which is this one. Right here. Bright orange. I chose bright orange yellow, and I wanted that as the highlight. So let's see if I can find that one. I didn't want something too red or too light. Let me see where it's hiding. Let me just pause a second. All right, so here we are. So we have the orange for the mid-tone, the bright orange for the darker tone, and then bright orange yellow for the highlights or the very light tone. So what I started out first was I took the bright orange yellow and I pretty much colored that in using oval strokes, going like that, just to color that in. I left a little bit areas, very, very minimal white areas, but eventually I did go over them. So I started out with that, and then I went into the mid-tone, which I was using my orange for that, and went over that. And then I took my bright orange, which was my darkest tone, and went in darker with that. And after that, I went and I took the Derwent blender. I got this at Hobby Lobby. And I started with the lightest areas and started to blend that in. So for example, let's say I want to, let me see if I can come in just a little bit closer so you can see. So let's say, for example, I'm doing this section. I would start here in the lightest area and then move on out. And this is how I do it. Other folks may do it differently, but you can see the difference in how it looks in the blended area as opposed to where it's just colored in. And it looks fine also if you don't have a blender. I mean, the colors on top of each other blend well as also, but I do like the look of the actual blending using the blender pencil. So I'm going to continue with that. And I think for her skin, I actually want to do something different rather than like a peachy or whatnot. I actually think I want to color her in with maybe blues or greens, besides the scales here for the fishtail. I don't know. That's just something that I'm thinking of doing. It just popped into my head earlier when I was, coloring in her hair. And I may want to do some bluish greens. So maybe I'll do that on camera and show you. I know I definitely want to do when I color in the bubbles. I want to do that as a tutorial. We'll learn together, I guess, a video of that. And so I'm going to continue on with this. So again, this is going to be part of the treasure hunt, the hashtag Patty's treasure hunt. So once I finish that, it's also going to be part of Lovella's, I think it's Lovella, Lovella's Coloring. She does a monthly collaboration as well, where you just pick one page out of a book that you have not completed and do that as part of the monthly collaboration. So this is the first page I'm coloring out of this book. So that is also going to be part of that coloring that she has going on. So once I'm done, I will put those links or those hashtags in the description box of that. But I will, I do like the way this is turning out, and I will definitely show you once I'm done. I will show you the tutorial when I actually do the bubbles. So we'll take a look at that. And maybe also I've never, painted, or should I say colored in a coloring book using color pencils, a face. So maybe I'll show you that too. We'll do that together as part of a video. But if you have this book, let me know. Or what do you all think of if I color in like with a bluish green skin? Let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.